Hey y'all, it's Ashley, CEO and founder of Sense to Sense. I created this really dope brand for financial literacy, help for families with a focus on children. But this video is for y'all today, my parents. So I am approaching 40. Yes, in 1 month I'm gonna be 40. Well, I looked at my watch. But I've been thinking a lot and talking to my friends about how we're gonna prepare for our family futures as we get older. I want children who I started the business for are now teens. And so thinking about generational wealth looks different now. And so we've been talking about the 3 power trio, and I wanted to share them with you because not everyone often talks about it in our communities. So, in our day and age. So first up, a will. You need a will. It's your family blueprint. Who's going to take care of your kids once you pass? Who's going to take care of your money? Who's going to take care of your house, your business? Your will allows for you to decide and not a court. It also makes sure that your money and belongings go exactly where you want and to who you want them. So it's no guessing, no cussing, no confusion, no fighting, just clear instructions for your family on what to do and how you want it done. Now you want to do that. Next, a healthcare director. This one is huge. If there's ever a situation where you can't make medical decisions for yourself, this document says exactly what you want done and how you want it done. Of course, you can name who you want to speak for you, how you want them to speak for you, etc., etc. And when you go in for surgeries, they ask you about this, but I know a lot of times we dismiss it. But you can create a healthcare director and have that on file. And finally, this is one a lot of people think that you have to have a bunch of money for. A trust. It sounds super fancy and like, oh, okay, make it rain, gotta have a money wall with real money, not fake money to do something like this. But no, what you're gonna do is say who you want your kids, your assets to go to, and when you want them to have it. And a lot of times on shows we might say, you might hear about once they graduate college. Y'all know Tariq Empire. Once he graduates college, he'll get this money. But a trust does that same thing. It allows your kids to have those assets that you outline in the will. When do you want them to have it? How do you want them to have it? Do they have to achieve something, a milestone, in order to receive it? I just wanted to say that real fast. I wanted to put this out here and see how you guys felt about it. See if you all had any questions. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. I can go through and come back. I can talk about each 3 of these individually. But I want you to do is start thinking about these things that you can do very easily to create up your power trio. Set up your will. Create your healthcare director. Look into a trust, especially if you have kids and assets that you're trying to protect. Look into a trust. Now, as parents, we spend so much time planning the day-to-day meals. We do the practices, the school events, but this is the big stuff. This is how we show up for our families, even in the event of our demise. Even when we're sick, our families kids don't have to guess about what we would have wanted done. We already had it out loud. It's letting your voice be heard. So as I approach 40, I'm getting all this in order for my family, and I encourage you to do the same. If this spoke to you, hit that like button, share it with another parent, and don't forget to subscribe for more real life tips. You got this, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, planning ahead isn't responsible. It's one of the most loving things that you can do for your family, your kids, your legacy. SenseToSense.com. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that.